First, cut the zip tie that holds the DC motor wire to the machine. The DC motor is held in by two large Phillips washer screws. Remove both screws completely. Hold the DC motor in your hand as you remove the second screw. Guide the wire out from the machine as you remove the motor. While looking at the motor, you have the idler, which provides tension on the motor belt as well as the pinion gear. You also see the DC motor sensor and shield plate. The shield plate spins within the sensor. You want to make sure that both the sensor and shield plate are clean and free of any oil and debris. Make sure the shield plate is held onto the motor by the 1.5mm hex screw. If the sensor or shield plate are dirty or damaged, the machine may give you an LO message and or run by itself. To install the motor, carefully guide the wire through the machine and replace the two washer screws that hold it in place. Keep both screws slightly loose so we can adjust motor belt tension. Replace the DC motor belt by wrapping it around the DC motor pinion gear in front of the idler and around the belt wheel. There should be about 5mm of deflection of the motor belt while pushing in on the front of the belt with about 200 grams of pressure. Tighten one of the washer screws and recheck the deflection. Once the adjustment is correct, tighten the two washer screws securely. Lastly, replace the zip tie that holds the DC motor wire, transformer wire, and the zigzag motor wire. Make sure to secure, then cut the excess tail off the zip tie.